So hold your attention here with me now. Here and now, this is it. The present moment is all that exists. This is reality. The past and the future are unreality. If you are in disagreement with the present moment, that's telling you something very important. If you are in disagreement with this present moment, it means that you are wrong. If you are in disagreement with this present moment, it means that you are wrong. Not the present moment is wrong, you are wrong. So I'd encourage you to agree with the present moment, even if it's not what you chose. Or maybe, how many people even chose this present moment? That changes it, doesn't it? Come into the present moment with me, stay here, stay in the now, so we're going to allow this moment to be as it is. There you go. It's better, isn't it? This is mindfulness. Can you see how you do that as you accept and you surrender to the present moment and you let it be as it is, how, of course, that brings you deeply into this place of mindfulness. One of my favourite books, the Tao Te Ching. It's the one of the Taoist texts, one of their main texts, the Tao Te Ching. Wonderful book, 2,600 years old. Fabulous wisdom. It talks about flowing like water. The Tao flows like water. So we adapt and change according to reality rather than resisting reality because it's not what we thought it would be. Because if you are in resistance to now, if you're in disagreement with now, it means that you are wrong. Not now is wrong, you are wrong. And the sooner you realise that, the better, because each time you realise you are wrong and you align with the present moment, you become more right, because you are rolling with reality. Okay? It's not what I thought it would be, it is what it is. And when we do that, there's a whole new energy, a whole new power, a flow that comes to what we do.